Imagine a world where machines can learn from distributed and private data securely and efficiently. Welcome to the era of federated learning. This revolutionary technology is transforming the way we approach data privacy and machine learning. Federated learning is like a global classroom for machines, where each device can learn independently, yet contribute to a collective knowledge pool. It's like a team of athletes, each perfecting their skills individually, but working together to achieve a common goal. This technology maximizes efficiency and collaboration, all while maintaining data privacy. It's the perfect blend of teamwork and individual strength, like a relay race where every runner contributes to the victory, but does so on their own terms. In a world that's increasingly concerned about data security, federated learning is the torchbearer, guiding us towards a future where machines learn without compromising privacy. So why does this matter? Because this technology is shaping our world, making it smarter, more secure, and efficient. It's not just about machines learning, it's about us learning to live in a world powered by intelligent machines. Federated learning, a new era of machine learning. It's a game changer, and it's happening right now. Stay curious and keep exploring because the future is exciting and it's here to stay.